Hello students, welcome to your English class. This is our English class and first of all have a look at your book. This is your English book, English Reader with Grammar. And this is how your book looks from inside. Have a look of it. And here you have to fill about yourself. And this is your content or called syllabus, and here's our first chapter, Two Wise Ships, which we are going to start reading from today. Lesson first, Two Wise Ships, दो बुद्धिमान भेड़ें. Once two ships came to a narrow bridge. They were coming from the opposite directions. They meet in the middle of the bridge. Kids, this is the story of two ships who are coming on a bridge from two opposite sides. They are coming from two opposite directions and they meet in the middle of the bridge. Then what will happen? Let's see. The bridge was so narrow that they could not turn back. अब वो दोनों बीच में तो आ गए, but the pull is very narrow, so they are unable to turn back and go to the opposite sides, the sides from where they came. One of the ships said, I am very sorry, I did not see you coming from the other direction. The bridge is too narrow to go back. Now what should we do? As I told you kids, there are two ships, so one ship of them said that I am really sorry. मैंने देखा नहीं कि तुम दूसरे साइड से आ रही हो. ये ब्रिज बहुत छोटा है. Now what should we do? The other said, this is not your fault. I also did not see you coming. It is my mistake. I shall jump into water, then you may pass on. अब जो दूसरी शिप थी उसने कहा, ये तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है, मैंने भी तुम्हें दूसरे साइड से आते हुए नहीं देखा. Now I shall jump into water. मैं वाटर में कूद जाती हूँ और तुम फिर चले जाना. The first cried, please do not do so. I shall lie down and you pass over my body gently. Now जो पहली भेड़ थी वो कहती है, this is not needed. You are not needed to jump into the water. I have an idea. I should lie down and you will pass through my body gently. So the ship lay down flat and the other passed over her body very gently. In this way both crossed the bridge. They thanked each other and said goodbye. Now kids, the both ships worked on their ideas and one of them lay down and the other crossed the bridge by passing over the other. After this they both thanked each other and said goodbye to each other. And this is how, because of their intelligence, they both crossed the bridge easily and go on the way on what they are going. So kids, here our first lesson reading is completed. Now at the bottom you can see Hindi translation of this lesson, and if you want to understand it more easily, then you can read it by yourself. Now look at its vocabulary. First, bridge. It means pull. Sorry, it means क्षमा. Gently, कोमलता से. Goodbye, अलविदा. Direction, दिशा निर्देश. Opposite, विपरीत. Thank, it means धन्यवाद. Flat means समातल. Middle means बीच. Fault means दोष. So this is the meaning of all the vocabularies. Now kids, here our vocabulary is also completed. Now I will tell you your today's English homework. So first, reading homework is to read this lesson 2 times by yourself, and now the writing homework. 1 page writing as we always do. So write 1 page and then this vocabulary which we have read it right now. This is your today's written homework. So now I had told you both the homeworks. So kids, this is it for our today's class. Now I will meet you in our next class. Till then, do your homework. Bye kids, see you in next class.